On Linux, root has unlimited power, but that also makes it dangerous. Sudo lets you take control safely, one command at a time. Stick around, and I'll show you not only how to use sudo properly, but also how to make the terminal your comfort zone. And yes, look cool while doing it. Sudo stands for super user do. It allows a regular user to run specific commands with elevated privileges without staying logged in as the root user. That's important because the root account has unrestricted control over the entire system, and even a small mistake can cause serious damage. With sudo, you only elevate privileges for the command you need, and the system records what was done, making it much safer. By contrast, running su switches your entire session to the root user until you exit, which carries more risk. That's why on most modern Linux distributions like Ubuntu, sudo is the recommended and safer option. Here are some useful sudo tricks you'll want to keep in mind. They make switching to root or checking permissions a lot easier. And remember, if you ever need to edit the sudo configuration, always use vi sudo. That way you stay safe from errors. Now, let's talk about how you actually install software. This is done by a package manager. It handles downloading, installing, updating, and removing software for you. The catch is that different families of Linux use different tools. If you're on Ubuntu or Debian, you'll use apt. On Fedora or Red Hat systems, you'll use dnf. And on Arch Linux, you use pacman. Now let's cover the core package management commands you'll use every day. On Ubuntu, the first step is always to update your local list of available software with sudo apt update. Then, to upgrade your installed packages to the latest versions, you run sudo apt upgrade. And when you need to install something new, like the Firefox browser, you use sudo apt install Firefox. On Fedora, the process is almost identical, but uses dnf. Always run the update command first. Otherwise, your system might have outdated information and fail to find the package you want. While on Arch Linux, package management uses pacman, but if you're running Arch, you probably already know this. A final word of caution. With great power comes great responsibility. Don't run random commands from the internet with sudo. It can give full control of your system to someone else. Also, be extra careful with destructive commands. They can erase everything. There's no recycle bin when you're running commands with sudo. And that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.